Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are very good. Today I am going to discuss never give up on yourself. Many people they want to know what they should do exactly when things get tough and how they go through that situation, because we almost give up on ourselves in that situation, and that is the reason I want to talk about this topic. But before start the video, I want to say to everyone, please watch my video till the end, because I think this video is going to give you so much what everyone needs in this first place. And if you are new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss never give up on your dream. When things get tough, when things get so difficult, when nothing is work out, people give up so easily. Almost 95% people, they give up so easily when things get so difficult. Look at other people, look at successful people. How could they achieve success? They also gone through difficulties. If I talk about, don't get me wrong, if I talk about poor people who does not have any assets but still they got success in life, how could they achieve success? They have big desire in their life. They know they have to achieve success no matter what they have to go through, how much difficult the situation is. They never give up. They never stop on themselves to becoming the person who they want. They have great discipline on themselves. They do the work with consistency every single day. We make excuses when things get tough, when things get a little bit difficult. We start to make lots of excuses. We think that it is so difficult, I cannot do it, it is very tough for me, maybe I should give up on my dream, maybe I should give up on those things which is not work out for me, maybe it is not for me. Lots of things we think when things get so difficult, when things get so tough. But I want to say to everyone, if you are going through difficulties, if you are going through tough situation, make plan how you are going to fight that situation, how you can do the work with consistency when things get tough. Write down your thoughts, write down your plan, because you need to keep remind your plan to yourself when things get tough. But don't stop to work on your dream. I have to go through difficulties. I also think that maybe I should give up, I should quit, because nothing is work out. I don't see the hope, but at the same time I realize, no bro, it is not the end. I have to do more work. I have to achieve my success, because I know this is very important to me to become the person who I want. I always have a dream in my life. I want to support my family, and that is the reason I keep do the work. I keep fighting for achieving the success what I want. It is possible. It is possible to everyone. If other people can achieve success in life, although they are also going through lots of difficulties, they are also going through lots of tough situations, but still they fight for their dreams, still they do the work with consistency when things get so difficult. How could they do it? They are also human like us. They never think about failures, they never think to give up on themselves, they never think those things. They always think that it is possible. They have positive expectation from their future, but we think lots of negative thought. We think that maybe it would not be work for us. What would be happen if I fail? And if I fail, then I think I don't have any opportunity. You know how to fight that situation. You know how to go through any kind of situation when things get difficult. You know those things. You don't want to work hard. You don't want to put the pressure when things get difficult. You know everything what you need, but you don't take any action. Don't do it, bro. Realize how much important to you to achieve your success. You have to sacrifice something which is not important, and you have to do the things what is so important to you, like spending time to doing something which is important, which is going to help you to improve your skills, improve yourselves. Don't do anything which is not important, which is going to just waste your time, like playing video game, watching a movie, spending time with your friends. That is not going to help you to achieve success. That is not going to help you to be productive all the time. It is not going to help you to take advantage from your time. Don't waste time. Time is very important. That's why they always use their time wisely and they never make any complaint. They know this is important for them to work on themselves. They never have time to make complaints. They never have time to make any excuses. But we have lots of time to make excuses. Don't do it. Think about your family. They need your support. They need your help. How can you help them if you don't have any assets? If you have nothing, then how can you provide your family? Although they need your support. Look at them and do the work. Do the work with consistency when things get tough. Make plan what you need exactly to go through that situation, and how can you go through that situation. If you don't know, ask question, research about those things. Definitely there is something which is going to help you to go through that situation, which is going to help you to fight against your problem. Research, make plan, write down your plan, write down your thought, and be ready for the kind of talent what needs when things get tough. Always make sure that you are doing something which is valuable to you, which is going to help you to be productive, which is going to help you to achieve the things what you want out of your life. So never be afraid to take risk. Never be afraid to go through any kind of situation. It will be happen to everyone. Everyone has to go through that situation what you are going through right now maybe. So don't give up on your dream. It will be happen. You have to go through difficulties, but it does not mean that you have to give up on your dream. Keep fight for your dream. Keep fight to achieve the things what you want out of your life. It is possible. So I hope now you understand what you exactly need to do to fight through that situation when things get tough. I'm telling you again, don't give up on your dream. And thank you so much guys for watching me till the end. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification. Today's for that. I will be back very soon.